how to adjust keyboard sound volume on Samsung phone. So if you want to increase or decrease sound of your keyboard, so your keyboard's volume, but you don't know how, I'm going to show you how and where to find this setting. Let's get started. Firstly, we need to go ahead and open settings. And from here, start scrolling down till we can see section sounds and vibration. Tap on that, and as a first step, make sure your phone isn't muted or set to vibrate. In my case, it is muted, so let's just switch from mute to sound. Now, what you need to do is click on the volume, and here you'll see all of these sliders. So just find this system slider. This system is stand for all your system sounds, touch interactions, tapping, and so on, including your keyboard volume. So if you want to increase it, drag the slider to the right side, and to decrease, drag to the left. Additionally, where you can find the slider is to go back in sounds and vibrations, and here find system sound settings separately. Now again, just adjust the slider, and most importantly, under the sounds tab, make sure to enable Samsung keyboard and dial in keypad if you want to hear sound when using your keyboard. Also, you can just go in system sound theme if needed and change it from Galaxy to calm, fun, or retro. I'm gonna leave the Galaxy and let's go back, and then just trigger your keyboard, write down something, and this is how it will sound at a maximum volume. And that's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.